Hello, guys, welcome to Future Automation, a place where imagination meets reality, and you're listening to Tejas. In this video, we'll be doing something interesting with the Telegram and Python and learn how to automate Telegram bots using Python. So I'll give you a quick look on today's video, and this will be a series of video where we'll be doing a lot of PC automation, a lot of task automation using Telegram in different sets of video. This will be just an intro video and we'll be echoing back what we type. So say for example, welcome to future automation, and the spelling of future is wrong. Okay, so it's okay, we're not correcting it. So you can see it is just echoing back anything that text that we sent, and this is the piece of code that I'll be explaining you now. And yeah, that's basically it what we're going to do. So with a cup of coffee, let's get started. So guys, this is basically involved in kind of 5-step, 6-step video where we are having some basic things to do. First is that you need to create the Telegram bot using BotFather. So there are a lot of tutorials that are already available that can help you with how we are supposed to create a Telegram bot using BotFather. So I'm not going to put much time in that. I'll leave a link of all the description, all the tutorials and websites which will help you in this part. But basically, you have to do it. It's a really very easy task. It will be done in may say 15 or 20 minutes. That's it. So guys, the second step will be to download the Telegram bot library. So for that, what we can do is we can just add one more PowerShell here so that I can show you. What we need to do is just pip install Python Telegram bot library. For me, it's already installed, so I don't think there will be any installation done. But for you, the library will be installed. And next to that, what we need to do is we need to take the token that is provided by the Telegram bot in the bot further. So here you'll get a token, and that token already I have added in the code. I am not interested in making that public, although it is not much of a use for me. But still, you'll get a token from the Telegram bot, and that token you need to keep it safe with you because you'll be needing it in the future. Next to that, once we are done with that, we are going to start with the coding. Now in the coding, the first part we need to do is import all the libraries. From these two libraries are from Python, and one is the file that I have created in which the token is installed. Now in this file, what exactly we are doing is, say for example, you can need to create a variable. So I'll just show you a quick demo here. So bot token will create one, and we'll add something here. So here, what your token that will be provided by the Telegram bot that you can add in this file, and then you can import this file here the same way I did it, and then add this in the section where we are going to add the tokens. I'll explain it in a minute. So this is it for the part of the token library. So import all these libraries. One is updater, command helper, message handler, and filters. These are the classes of Telegram library which we are going to be using. So from Telegram library, we'll import all these things. Now, next to that. So first we'll go with this part, and then we'll go from bottom to top because these are all the methods that have been declared which we'll be using in a minute. So basically what we are doing is here we are going to log the basic configuration in the terminal. So you can see here date, time, then we have the label name, and then we have the information that scheduler has started. So this is what we are doing here. And next to that, we'll go with the main function. So basically here we are defining the main which we are calling here. So if name is called equals to main, then we'll go with the main function. So we have created one main function here. In this function, basically what we are doing is, first we are creating an updater in which we are going to add the token key which is being called from this this file, and the flag use context is being set to true. Next to that, what we are doing is we are going to create the dispatcher to register the handlers. So we are creating a dispatcher here which will be used to register all the handlers that we'll be using. So basically handler is nothing but whatever function we are getting, whatever text or feature request we are getting from the Telegram bot, that will be processing in these handlers. So we have registered three handlers here, basically from which two are the common handlers which are start and help. So for start, we'll be performing something in the start method, and for help, we'll be performing something else in the help method. So you can do anything, you can create any functions. We'll be going forward with a lot of functionality using Telegram, and we'll be trying to make our daily tasks more easier using Telegram. Next to that, we have created one more common handler here, which will just echo back all the text that we are sending to this function, and that's it. And there will be one more handler that is for error, so we are handling error as well. Next to that, we are running a start polling updater dot start polling. So what this will do is this will basically start the bot, and then we have updater dot idle. So what updater dot idle will do is it will keep on running the bot until we press the control C to receive a signal or anything else that takes place which will stop the functionality or stop the function. So that is what it is as part of the main function. Now let's go up one by one to each function. So we'll go first with the start function. Whenever we are going to go with the start function, what we are doing is any function is having uh, two arguments. One is the update and one is the context. So context will also take care of all the errors that are being received, and yeah, that's it. That's the part of the context. And update will be the instance that we'll be getting from the Telegram bot. So what we'll be doing is update dot message dot reply text. So here we'll be sending back some message to the Telegram bot. If I'm changing this to say, for example, hello world, what would you like to type, we can do that. So that is it. Next to that, we'll be having the help method. So we have the help handler as well that we have registered here. So this help method will do anything related to help stuff. Say for example, the user is not knowing what all menus or what all commands you are having that we can use. For that we can use the help context. Next to that, we are having the normal echo context. What it will be doing is basically it will resend all the text that we are sending to the function, and here again we can add any functionality that we need. Next to that, we are having the error, again error handler that we have added. It will basically send us any error that we have. It will basically log any error that has been created in the terminal. That's it guys, this is all the code explanation that we are having. Now we can just go ahead and try again, so working with the bot. So let's try it. Say for example, if you are typing subscribe now to the channel and hit like. That's it, guys. So subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit like to the video if you like the video. If you are having any other ideas that you can implement with the same code, you can go ahead and do it, and you can share those in the Instagram DMs that I'm having or in the comment box. And also you can give a pull request and you can add your contribution to the GitHub. Make sure you clone all the repositories that I have added, and you can follow me on the GitHub as well. And I'll be putting all the code in the GitHub, all the links in the description, and make sure you share these videos with everyone who is interested in this Telegram bot automation. You can also add this bot in a group, and then maybe you can monitor stuff. But still, I'm looking into that part and making sure that the video that I make will be more useful to everyone and they can create something out of it. So yeah, hit share, like, subscribe, and as I always say, keep innovating. Thank you guys. Take care.